So Waakyesauce sauce is the sauce that goes with Waakyesauce, and Waakyesauce sauce is quite different from your normal tomato sauce. It's very close to shito, but still not shito. So it's in between your tomato sauce and your shito. So join me, let's cook. So I've got 1 tablespoon of my Himalayan pink salt, 1 tablespoon of shrimp powder, 3 AnneBetty spice mix, 150 grams of tuna flakes. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the AnneBetty's dry herbs and 1 tablespoon of the AnneBetty's dry mixed spice. I've got 3 large onions, white ones, and 3 red onions, and 3 stalks of spring onion. So onion adds sweetness to your sauce. I've got some ginger, I've got fennel, this is calabash nutmeg, I've got 5 of that, and I've got 3 grains of celery and a whole bulb of garlic, 2 yellow habanero chilies, and 3 cubes of homemade tomato puree. So 3 cubes means 3 tablespoons, and that's my meat. So if you watch the link to how to marinate and cook your meat, you will find out how this was achieved. And now on to start our sauce. So the typical Waakyesauce has got the meat, you fry it a bit. So I'm going to fry it a bit, and it gives it this nice texture and flavor, and makes it more yummy. So it's frying. Once it browns a bit, then it comes out. It needs to brown. So it has to brown a bit. So when both sides are brown like that, then it comes out. And this gives it a lovely texture. And it gives it some, it's just beautiful. Just try it. So it's done. Look at the texture. And it gives it some crispiness. It's amazing how it makes it taste. So I've chopped, I've got some basil. Basil gives it some nice fragrance. And I've got chopped 1 yellow habanero pepper, 1 large white onion, and 1 red. And all those, I'm going to saute it for about 5 minutes. So in goes our AnneBetty spice mix. Give it a stir. Our tomato. In goes all the blended stuff, all the rest of the ingredients. No waste at all. Give it a nice stir and leave it to stew. So in goes our stock, tuna flakes. This has been on for almost an hour. It reduces gradually in its own juices, gradual process. And now look at the color. So now in goes our shrimp powder, 2 teaspoons of the AnneBetty spice mix and the herb mix mixed together. And I'm going to give it a teaspoon of salt. I'll taste it. If it's not enough, then I'll correct the seasoning. In goes our meat. Our Waakyesauce is done, people. Ha, ha, ha. So, try it, people. I'm going to dish it out with some Waakyesauce and its accompaniment. But try the sauce and let me know how it goes. For more videos like this, please subscribe, hit the notification button, and if you want a private chef to wow that amazing event you're having or private lessons, be sure to see the contact details and the notification button, and all the ingredients for the sauce is in the description button as well. Thank you.